Traders, hi, how we doing? I don't have the webcam on. Anyway, that's fine. So, look, I just wanted to bring this up. I mentioned it yesterday in Trade Talk and also in the previous video that I put up where I was just sort of scanning the chart. So Wednesday, things have happened. There was a little bit of a retrace earlier on, but now the US dollar seems to have strengthened a little bit. So I'm watching this one pretty keenly. Probably, depending on it would be... I missed this here. I was at athletics training, so here probably 10 pips above that high, and we wait 2 candles. If it doesn't trigger, we'll close it out, and the stop loss would be down probably here at 113.002. So not particularly, if you're really aggressive, it'd be sort of there. So I'm running, that is a 55-day moving average, a 200-day moving average, so it'd be down there. So that gives it a bit of breathing room. I think the midline is, I'd probably play it down here on the 55-day moving average, and I back tested this as well. So that's the 4-hour, has a daily shaping up. Now, I like this because I'm more of a trend type trader, and we've got the 4 hours looking pretty sweet, and the daily's looking pretty sweet now. I've got a trading accountability buddy, Connor Murphy, who features on my videos. So what I've done, I've taken a couple of screenshots of what's going on, just to show them what's happening. I don't jump into a trade, and so I would play it, probably above that there. I mean, ideally I would have gone 10 pips above that, but I've, so I more look for the 4 hour. That's what I've back tested, so that's pretty nice, and that's that's pleasing. There's a little bit of retracement, but there's still 3 hours and 15 minutes to go. I'll show you the indicator. Okay, listed indicators, and good view. I'm just incompetent on it. Object list, indicator list. So it's the B clock. No, it's not. It's a B clock spread. So I can send that over if you need, guys. If you got something, that's just for me. So I come in for Perth time. I check the 9 o'clock candle. So that'd have been 9 o'clock. That'd have been 5 o'clock. So at the time I was busy, but I like to to probably wait. See what New York does, and it's retraced a little bit. It's weakened. That's not the end of it. So that's how I'd probably be playing it on the 4 hour. Again, daily trending as well. I mean, I would say this is established now in an uptrend, for me personally, and it's really nice. It's nice to get a bit of correlation there with the 2 time frames. Now we'll go to the Aussie as well. So that's the 4 hour, and okay, I do like it if the 55's crossed over the 200. I see that as a higher probability thing. I back tested this a little bit as well. So so it's just it's interesting. It's more of a swing reversal type play, so it's definitely made concern. If this just happened, that's not enough for me. But it's interesting, but no. So sometimes what I would do, I would split it 1%. So I only ever take 2% at risk at once. So I operate, and that's just personally what I feel comfortable with. So Aussie's not. I mean, if we go to the weekly, crazy. It's just not. I like to see the weekly on the USD. But yeah, even the daily, it's just not. We zoom out, and it's not. It's still in a bit of an uptrend. This needs to go down a bit further. Probably clears this. There's a few touches here. I don't like to overanalyze. I don't like to overthink things either. But it's just not good enough for me. So we'll go to the USD yen. Where is it at? Yeah. So see how much sweeter that is? It's a trend. I'm liking that, and I'm pretty tempted to put a pending order in. I'll close the recording down though. I just like to focus on making sure risk is set appropriately. I can't really concentrate on 2 things at once, and I don't want the video to be silent whilst I'm putting it in. But I don't do market orders. It'll be a pending order. Just to reiterate, it will be 10 pips above that, so that the high there was 113,683, so it'll be 693. What's the spread on it? USD. What is the spread? No. What is the spread? It's usually like 1 pip or 2 pips. And we've got a lot of liquidity because New York's in session. Oh, no, it's not because of thingamajigs. What do they call it? Independence Day. Anyway, guys, look, thank you for watching. So this would be in play. It would be, just to reiterate, look, I'm really probably going to do this, depending on, it will be, the high there was 113,683, so it'll be 113,693. Stop loss 112.281, and yeah, so that's how I'm playing it. Also, guys, risk disclaimer: this is not signal service stuff. This is just me documenting my journey, becoming a novice trader to a professional. I say full-time trader, but a full-time trader is, I won't be looking at the charts all the time. I'll be spending a couple hours a week doing this. So, but I want to be a professional trader, so this is what I'm doing. Forex is extremely risky, and you can lose much more than your initial investment. So that's important to consider. Just saying, how I view the markets, what my system is about. My only concern as well here is the expansion. There's not as much expansion. I'd like this to be, what I mean here is that's facing south, and that's north. So I'm going to consult with Connor, and I'm just going to keep it real, not rush into things, guys. Okay, thank you for watching, and enjoy the rest of your week. Happy Wednesday, and pardon me, happy trading. Bye.